8th standard students, let us start from page number 171, area of trapezium. Nazma owns a plot near a main road. Main road is this and plot is this. Unlike some other rectangular plots in her neighborhood, the plots has only one pair of parallel opposite sides, one pair. So it is nearly trapezium in shape. Can you find out its area? Let us name the vertices of this plot as shown in figure 11.3. Name A, B, D, E, the name of the plot. By drawing is EC parallel AB, EC parallel AB. We can divide it into two parts, rectangle and right angle triangle. One of rectangular shape ABCE and the other of triangular shape ECD, which is right angled at C. Now first is here for this. For this height is 12 and for this plot height is 12. For this figure height is 12. Okay, and length of this side is 30. So from here to here 10, and opposite sides are parallel and equal in rectangle, so this will be 20. And whole length this to this we are assuming is A and this is C. So A plus C is equal to B. Keep this thing in your mind, okay? Now, area of right angled triangle ECD is equal to half into base into height. So, half, base is 10, height is 12. That means 2 6 are 6 10s are 60. Area of rectangle ABCE, height into A. Let's see. That means this. Length into breadth, that means height. So 20 into 12, 240 meter square. When we will add this two things, we will get whole area of the figure, that means area of trapezium. So 60 plus 240, 300. We can write the area by combining the two areas and write the area of trapezium as area of trapezium is equal to half into H into C and plus H into A. In both the terms you can see H is common. So inside the left value in the bracket C plus 2, C upon 2 plus A. H, C1s are C by 2 plus H common A. Now take LCM. H is as it is C plus 2A upon 2 H. 2A, that means A plus A, and C plus A is equal B. Already we have discussed. See here. This is C plus A whole B. So B plus A upon 2. So area of trapezium will be height, sum of parallel sides divided by 2 into height. The general formula of trapezium, the area of trapezium will be this. Okay? Now see here. Area of trapezium ABDE is equal area of triangle ACD, right angle triangle, and area of rectangle ABCE. So half into B into H, half length into breadth. Okay? Now you can see here in two terms, 12 is common, so 12 is common. 10 ones are 10, 10 upon 2 plus 20. LCM we will take. We will not cancel, we will not take reduced form, we will not take LCM. After that, see here. 12, 10. Now we will take LCM. So 2 into 20. Don't multiply. 2 into 20, that means 20 plus 20. Repeated addition is called multiplication. That means 2 times we will add 20. 10 plus 20, 30. 20 upon 2. That means if you will see in the figure, in the trapezium, the parallel sides are given and the length of those sides are 30 and 20. That means parallel sides we will add, we will divide that side by 2 and height we will take. So formula we will get area of trapezium is equal to h by 2 sum of parallel sides. Okay. Now try this. Nazma's sister also has trapezium shaped plot. Divide it into 3 parts. Okay. As shown figure 11.4. Show that the area of trapezium W, X, Y, Z is equal to A plus B upon 2 into H. Okay, let us start. Now see from the figure. W, X, Y, Z trapezium, H, H, H. Parallel lines are, opposite parallel lines are equal and parallel. B, B, square. Or we can say that rectangle. Rectangle is one type, square is one type of rectangle. Here this length is C, from here to here B. So opposite sides are parallel and equal. So this ZY also will be B. Here this D. A. Now from the figure, area of figure number 1. Base into height. So half into C into H. Right angle triangle is there. Figure number 2. Half into D into H, half DH. And area of figure number 3. Base into height, BH. Okay. Now total area. So total area half CH plus half DH plus BH. Okay. So total area half CH, half DH, BH. From 3 terms, H is common. But first we will take LCM. 2 is the LCM. So CH, DH and 2 ones are 2 BH. H we will take common. So H upon 2. So inside the bracket C plus D plus 2B. And 2B we can write B plus B, 2B. So H by 2, C plus D plus B plus B. And C here, C plus B plus D or C plus D plus B is equal A. So in place of these 3 terms, we can write A. So H by 2, A plus B. So area of trapezium, sum of opposite parallel sides into height divided by 2. Okay. If H equal to 10 cm, C equal to 6 cm, B equal to 12 cm, D equal to 4 cm, find the values of each of its parts separately and aid to find the area W, X, Y, Z. Verify it by putting the values of H, A and B in the expression H, A in the bracket A plus B upon 2. Let us start. So see here, H is given 10 cm, C is given 6 cm, B is 12 cm and D is 4 cm. So separately we will calculate the area. Already from the figure, half into C into H, half CH. Half C, 6, H, 10. 2 5s are 10, 6 5s are 30 square centimeter. Area of figure number 1. Now area of figure 2, half DH. Half D, that means 4. H, 10, 2 5s are 10. 5 4s are 20 square centimeter. Area of figure number 3, that means base into height. So B into H, so B is 12 and height is 10. So 12 tens are 120 square centimeter. Now when we add, so we will get total area of the figure. So 30 plus 20 plus 170 square centimeter. Separately we have calculated here. Okay, we calculated separately. Now by formula. H by 2, sum of parallel sides. Now A. So how we will calculate A? C plus D plus B. C is 6. So C plus D plus B equal to A. C is 6, D is 4, B is 12. So 22 centimeter. So 22 plus 12. 22 plus 12 is 34. 2 5s are 10. 5 4s are 20. Carry over 2. 5 3s are 15 to 17. So separately also we calculated and by formula. The area is same. Okay. Now do this. Draw any trapezium. Children, you will draw on piece of graph paper and you will make one video. It's compulsory for all as shown in the figure and cut it out. So you will cut. Find the midpoint. So graph paper, suppose that midpoint you are getting here. Give the name of that point is A. In this figure I am explaining you. It is the step what you have to do. After that, in third step, cut trapezium into two pieces by cutting along ZA. Along ZA. A is there here. So you will cut. Then place triangle ZYA as shown in figure 11.7. So you will get triangle ZYA. So Y and X, both the points coincide each other. You will place your triangle in that way. And then you have to do. What is the length of the base of the larger triangle? You have to write one expression. The area of this triangle WZB. So you will get triangle WZ and B. Another triangle you will get there. Okay? When you will cut. And the area of trapezium WXYZ are same. How? Get the expression for the area of trapezium by using the expression the area of triangle. So this activity you will send on my personal WhatsApp video. It's compulsory. So conclusion is this. To find the area of trapezium, we need to know the length of the parallel sides and perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. That means height. Half the product of the sum of the lengths of parallel sides and the perpendicular distance between them gives the area of trapezium. That means what is the formula of area of trapezium? First add the opposite parallel sides, divide by 2 and multiply by height. Okay. Now try this. Find the area of the following trapeziums. Add this 9 plus 16. 16 divided by 2, 8 times. 8 3s are 24. 24 centimeters square. You know how you can solve, but it is try this, so I am solving orally. Okay. 10 plus 15. 15 into 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. And 15 3s are 45 square centimeter. Okay. Class 7th we learn the draw parallelograms of equal areas with different perimeters. Can it be done for trapezium? Check if the following trapezium are equal areas but have different perimeters. So perimeters easily you can calculate. You will add all the sides. Okay. And write here perimeter, 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 unit. Because centimeter unit is not given, so unit you will write. Whatever unit we can use. And then area, how you will calculate? You will calculate small squares. Okay. And write here square unit. Okay. Then you will send this on my personal WhatsApp number. Children, you are not sending homework. Till now, nobody has sent to me. It's very bad. Now see here, we know that the congruent figures are equal in area. Can we say figures equal in area need to be congruent too? Are these figures congruent? No. It's not necessary. Maybe area of rectangle and area of square may be equal. But it's not necessary they both are congruent. Draw at least 3 trapezium which have different areas but equal perimeters on a square sheet. You will do this and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Now, area of general quadrilaterals. Whatever general quadrilaterals we are discussing about this. A general quadrilateral can be split into 2 triangles by drawing one of its diagonal. You can see here. Quadrilateral is there. When you will join the diagonal, you will get triangle. Okay. This triangulation helps us to find the formula of any general quadrilateral. Study 2 figure 11.10 area of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Here height is given and we know the area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Okay. So area of triangle A, B, C. You can see here A, B, C. Base is AC because the perpendicular is drawn here. So base is this and height is this H1. So AC into H1 half AC into H1. Same for this triangle, base is AC and height is H2. So half AC into H2. So half AC from both the terms. It is common. So half AC multiplication sign. So inside H1 plus H2. That means perpendicular, whatever perpendicular, we will add this and multiply the diagonal because it is the diagonal and half divide by 2. We will get the area of general quadrilateral. Okay. Example 1 you will do. Now see here we know that parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. Let us also split such a quadrilateral into 2 triangles to find their areas and hence that of parallelogram. Does this agree with the formula that you know already? Okay. Now see here. Perpendicular, perpendicular. Okay. H, and base, base. So when you will add this, what result you are getting? You have to put this value in the formula or triangle ABCD. You will give the name and same process you will do for this and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Now, area of a special quadrilateral, we can use the same method for splitting into triangles which we call triangulation to find the formula for the area of rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. There are 4. Its diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Yes, very true. Area of rhombus ABCD. Area of triangle ACD, same way. And area of triangle ABC. You can see here ABC, ABC, and we know that diagonals of rhombus bisects at each other 90 degree. Okay, so half AC into OD. See here half AC into OD for this triangle, and for this triangle half AC into OB. Half AC is common, so OD plus OB. Now see here OB plus OD is diagonal BD. So half AC, that means D1 and D2. So in other words, area of rhombus is half the product of its diagonal. Okay. Now you will do this. A parallelogram is divided into 2 congruent triangles by drawing a diagonal across it. Can we divide a trapezium into 2 congruent triangles? You will do and then I will reply of this. Now try this. Find the area of this quadrilateral. See here, perpendiculars are given and so you can apply this formula. Then for rhombus also and for this you will do for parallelogram. Okay, so you will do this and you will send. Area of polygon. Polygon, that means closed figure. We split a quadrilateral into triangles and find its area. Similar methods can be used to find the area of polygon. Observe the following for a pentagon. You can see polygon. It's not regular polygon, that means in the particular shape all the sides should be equal, but it is polygon. Pentagon is there but not regular pentagon, regular polygon. Okay. By constructing two diagonals AC and AD, the pentagon ABCD is divided into three parts. So area ABCDE, ABCDE, and AC and AD. So AC and AD. Okay, diagonal we have drawn. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ADE, area of triangle ADC. Okay. Now same way, by constructing one diagonal AD and two perpendiculars BF and CG on it, another way. In pentagon, ABCD is divided into four parts. So the area of ABCDE, area of right angled triangle AFB, area of triangle AED, and area of a trapezium, area of right triangle CGD. That means a small portion we can take. Whole triangle also, and this, if we will give the point, we will this figure also, but whole triangle taken here. Okay. Homework related to this, but you have not calculated the area. How you will calculate it? See how you will calculate this area. 1 2 3 4. 4 is height. Then add this 24 into 4 divided by 2. So you will get 48 square unit. Here I have written centimeter square. You will write here because no unit is given here. 8 plus 4, 12. And 12 height will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 12 into 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, 4s are, so 12 4s are 48. Now see here, parallel sides are this. So 10 plus 6, 16 divided by 2, 8. And height 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so height is 6 and 8 6 are 48. So you can see here the area of all these trapeziums are equal, but perimeters are different. After that, see at page number 175. Now you can see here trapezium, and here the height is given and base is given. So when the base is given, that means diagonal is given 1, and this is quadrilateral, not trapezium. See, opposite sides are not equal. So height we can take. So h1 plus h2, the formula to calculate the area of any quadrilateral. So height you will add and multiply by diagonal and divided by 2. So half into d h1 plus h2. h1 plus h2, that means 8. 8 divided by 2, that means 4. 4 into 6, 24 centimeters square. Same way, it is rhombus, and the formula of rhombus is half d1 into d2. So half d1 into d2. So 6 into 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 7 3s are 21 centimeters square. Now for this parallelogram, the formula of parallelogram b into h. So base is 8 because perpendicular is here. So we can draw same perpendicular from this side. Okay. So 2 centimeters. So base into height. 8 2 is 16 centimeters square. Now area of polygon also we have that day we have learned how we can calculate by dividing the different shapes. Okay. Now see on page number 176, divide the following polygons into parts, triangles and trapezium to find its area. Okay, let us start. Now you can see here the diagonal is already given of the in this pentagon. So perpendicular I have drawn from G to A, H to B, E to C. Now you can see different shapes: triangle, trapezium, triangle, triangle. So what we can do, area of polygon EFGHI, give the name of this perpendiculars A and GA
HBEC. I have given. You can give other name also. Area of right angle triangle AFG plus area of trapezium GABH or ABHG, area of right angle triangle HBI, and area of triangle FEI. You can see. Clear? Now in this figure you can see I have drawn the perpendicular O to S, M to S, P to U, R to T. Now I have divided this hexagon into different small shapes. Right angle triangle, trapezium, right angle triangle, trapezium, right angle triangle. So first I have started area of polygon MNOPQR. Okay, area of right angle I have written here right angle triangle ONS, then trapezium for T I have written. So area of trapezium SOPU, area of right angle triangle PQU, area of right angle triangle QRT, area of trapezium TRMS, area of right angle triangle SMN. Okay, so you can divide this polygon into different shapes and you can calculate the area. Now see on the next question, polygon ABCDE. ABCDE, okay, is divided into parts as shown below. You can see here the parts: the right angle triangle, trapezium, right angle triangle, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. Find its area. If AD equal to 8 centimeter, that means A to D. This diagonal 8 centimeter is given. AH 6, so AH from here to here 6, AG 4 from here to here, AF 3 here to here. Okay, and perpendiculars BF, this 2 centimeter, CH, so CH 3, EG 2.5 centimeter. Okay, area of polygon ABCD is equal area of triangle AFB, area of right angle triangle AFB, complete area of triangle AFB plus trapezium, area of trapezium BFHC. You write in your rough notebook whatever I am telling. Then area of right angle triangle CHD, then area of right angle triangle DGE plus area of right angle triangle EGA. Okay. Now area of right angle triangle AFB is equal half into base into height. Height, that means perpendicular, and base perpendicular. When the perpendicular is falling down on this side, so AF, and AF is given 3 from the question and BF is given 2, so cancel by this and 3. You will write here 3 centimeter. Right. Now area of trapezium FBCH. Parallel sides are BFCH. Okay. BF plus CH. BF is 2 and CH 3. So 2 plus 3 is written. And FH will be height, longest will be. Okay, so FH is given FH we can calculate. Okay, from here to here given. So from this AF or AH is given So from AH, when we'll cut AF, we will get FH. So AH minus AF. So AH is 6 and AF is 3. So 3 we are getting. Okay, this height. So 3, 2, 5. 5 3s are 15. So this area will be 7.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of right angle triangle CHD. So half into HD base and CH. So HD half AD and AH is given. D and we need HD. So from AD, if we will subtract AH, AD is 8, AH is 6. So AD cut AH, we will get this. That means 2. And height is CH is given 3. So 2 into 3 divided by 2. So 3. Okay, here you will write 3 centimeter square. Now area of right angle triangle ADE. ADE. AD is given half and AD is 8, half into 8 and GE 2.5. So 2 4s are 8 and 2.5 into 4. 24 is the, so I think 10. Calculate this 10 centimeter square. 2 into 8 divided by 2. So 2 4s are. And GE is 2.5. So 4 into 25. And before one is 10 centimeters. So the area of polygon ABCDE is equal. Add 3 centimeter square. Then 7.5. Then 3. And then whole. So we will add 3 plus 7, 10.5. 10, 3, 13.5, 13.5 plus 10, 23.5 centimeter square will be the area. 3, 10.5, 13 and 23.5 centimeter square will be the area. Same way, we will calculate this area. Okay. Now in the next question, you can see the question perpendiculars and different shapes. Right angle triangle, figure number 1, 2, trapezium, 3 right angle triangle, 4 right angle triangle, trapezium, 5th and 6th. Now see here, all the perpendiculars heights are given. Now area of MNOPQR is equal to area of figure number 1. In short, I am giving you hint only and I am solving. Figure number 2, area of figure number 2, area of figure number 3, then 4, then 5 and then 6. Now area of figure number 1, you can see base MA and height 2.5. So MA into, that means 2 into 2.5 divided by 2. 2 into 2.5 divided by 2, 2.5 centimeter square. Now for figure number 2. Figure number 2, parallel sides are 2.5 plus 3.5 and this perpendicular A to D. But A to D here is not given. So what we can do for A to D, MD. minus MA. So MD minus MA, that means 5. Okay. So when you will calculate this, you will get 13.75 centimeter square. Now figure number 3. Figure number 3, you can see right angle triangle. So perpendicular, that means height is this and base CP. CP again is not given. So what we can do? MP minus MC. So MP minus MC. 9 minus 6, 3. So figure number 3, area of 9 minus 6, 3, and 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 2, 4.5 centimeter square. Now for figure number 4. Trapezium, parallel sides are given and perpendicular is this B2D. But you can see the perpendicular BD is not given. So what we can do? MD minus MB. MD minus MB. 7 minus 4, that is 3. So 3 into and opposite sides 4.5. Okay. So 4.5 into 3 divided by 2. So in the figure number 5, we will get the area 6.75 centimeter square. Now for figure number 6. Figure number 6 is perpendicular is given 2.5, height is MB. MB is given 4. So 4 into 2.5 divided by 2. 4 into 2.5 divided by 2. You will get 5 centimeter square. So total area will be, when you will add 2.5 plus 13.5 plus 4.5 to 6.75, 5. Addition you can see here. When you will add, you will get 34.50 centimeters.